Hello and welcome to another tutorial, and this is the follow-up to our last video regarding the campaign menu. In this screen we're going to edit the campaign template. So this is a lot different than we used to have, and now we have a new comprehensive template builder here using our new menu on the side here with a lot of different cool options for you guys. It's more of a drag and drop style rather than type style, and by that I mean every single one of these is going to be put in this box. And we can also customize the look of this entire box. So imagine you receive the email in your inbox. You're going to receive everything that is in this gray area, including the template inside of here. So as you can see, if you grab and edit one of these, you can drag it and move the location, and it's going to stay within inside these grid lines. If I double click, I can edit what it says. And you can see here there is a text editor as well. You can add hyperlinks, change the background color, all that good stuff here. And also there are font styles as well. Here, again, you can do the same thing. You can also click this to deviate between editing it and just selecting it, and also I can delete any one of these areas by clicking the X. It will delete the element. Okay, so if I were to drag one of these items here, for example this image block, I can put this anywhere within here and you can see it moves the elements around this element. I will put it here, and now there's two images. If I click on one of these images, it lets me load the image as like a preview or edit this image. So if I load an image, it will access my images so I can upload an image. But if I want to edit this image, it lets me edit some settings or cropping of this image here. Since there isn't any image that I've uploaded, there is nothing to edit. This is just a placeholder. Same goes for any of these other elements. We have a lot of really good options here. As you can see, one of these is for example, an image with text and a button all in one area. And obviously for redundancy, you can delete and make it look a lot more professional of an email in this section. So here, if you click here, you can preview it like so. And if I click these gear here, you can change the layout settings, the content, all that good stuff with its own little menu here. This gray is going to be this background. I can change this to a bright red. The content background color is currently transparent, but as you can see, I can completely customize this as well. And then as well here, the font color can be comprehensively changed as well, all of it to be a different color if you would like. Content 1. This is going to be the first element up here regarding 1. I can change each one of these sections to have its own settings if I would like. So basically what we've done with this is made the entire template of this email completely customizable. It's very good for making your emails very personalized. And this is a very exciting new feature that we have. Now when you're done editing this, you can always just click Save and Next. There's also a couple different versions here. You can import HTML from a URL, upload your own templates, change or select the template, or use tags from Google. So those options are also available for you there, as well as adding some tags. So if I click Save and Next, we'll go to the next step. As I've shown previously in the video, you guys know how it goes from here. All right, so that is how you edit your template for your campaigns in Mailingboss. Stay tuned for my next video where I will go over the sequence creation. And thank you for watching this video, and as always, have a great day.